want to show you how you can use Excel to draw the payoff picture for a bear spread. And for this bear spread, I'm going to use put options, but you can do it. There are other ways to create a bear spread. Now, let's keep in mind that when you buy a put option, you're betting on the price going down. That is, you can sell it at the exercise price, no matter what the actual stock price is. So, for example, if you're long the put, you have this payoff if we're using this put option. So, for example, an exercise price of 20, a premium of $3. So, if the stock price were 0, you could still sell it to the person who wrote you the put for $20. You would buy the stock for 0, and so you'd make $20 minus the $3 premium you paid. So let's take a look at what the graph for a long put looks like. It looks like this hockey stick shape, right, where it's under this axis by the amount of the premium. So you're $3, you start out $3 in the hole, and if the price is above 20, you're not going to use it, right? Why use a contract that lets you sell for 20 if the stock price were 22? You just go in the marketplace and sell it. However, if the price falls, you can take advantage of the fact that maybe it falls to $10 a share. You have a contract that lets you sell it to someone for 20. Now, the thing about a put option is that it gives you opportunities to make money when the price falls by a lot. But normally it's not going to fall that much. Remember, options expire in 3 months, 6 months, right? Sometimes a month. So the likelihood that the stock price is going to fall from 20 to $6 a share is probably not very realistic. But it could fall from 20 to 16 or 14. Maybe you have some inkling that some bad news is coming. So what you can do is you can modify this strategy by using a bear spread. So what a bear spread does is it allows you to benefit or profit if you're mildly bearish. That is, you think the price is going to go down, but you don't think it's going to collapse to nothing. So what do? You're going to buy a put option, okay, in this case, from the example I've set up here, the one with an exercise price of 20, but now you're going to sell or write another put option with an exercise price of 15. So let me just show you what the graph for the short put looks like, and then we'll show you what the bear spread looks like. So it looks like this, right? Here, in this case, as long as the price is above 15, you get the premium. In this case, it's $1. And for every dollar it falls below 15, you lose $1. Now, why would you do this? Well, remember, you're selling something in addition to buying something, so you're getting some money. It's lowering your price. So if we jump over here, the break-even point for this long put option is $17. Now, if we write a put option and combine the two, okay, so here I have LP plus SP, long put plus short put, that equals a bear spread. And what you've done is you've changed the break-even point. Remember, you're watching price go down from 17 to 18. So the price doesn't have to fall as far in order for you to make some money. However, you're limited in how much money you can make. So let's put the two together, and so let me go back to my graph here, and we'll just look at the bear spread, and let's apply that. And here you have this graph that looks like this. So in this case, the maximum profit is $3. Instead of having a cost of $3 for the put that you bought, you now only have a cost of $2 because you wrote one and you received $1 for it. So your break even here is 18 rather than 17 for the long put. Let me superimpose the long put on this for us. And you can see the break even is at 18 as opposed to 17. So the price doesn't have to fall as much for you to make money. The thing is that, look, were the price to fall significantly down to $6, $8 a share, you'd be better off with the put. But again, not that likely that that's going to happen in this short time period. So this pushes down or makes it doesn't have to fall as much, right? Saves you $1 because you get $1 for the option that you write. So how do you do that? How do you draw that graph? Right? You can highlight this, and I've already drawn it, so I'm not going to draw it again, but I'll show you the process. And then you hit insert, and then there are a bunch of graphs. Choosing recommended graph is probably the better way to go. They give you several different bar graphs and things. But if you choose this one, that's what you get. You get what I had before, and then you can, when you go to the graph, you see right here, you can filter it to show exactly what you want. If you want to show all three together, it makes it kind of complicated looking when it looks like this. This is the short put, the blue one is the long put, and the gray one is the bear spread. But you can show one at a time, just the bear spread, or just the long put, or just the short put. So by graphing it, it gives you an idea of understanding the payoffs here. So again, a bear spread, when we're using put options, you're going to be long a put, then you're going to write a put that has a lower exercise price, and you combine them together and basically just add the payoffs together here, and this is what you're going to get. So, you know, this is something that you'll use. It's a popular strategy if you're mildly bearish because it doesn't cost very much. In another video, I discussed the bull spread, which you use when you're mildly bullish. That is, you think the price is going to go up, but not that much. So this is a great way to sort of get an understanding of the payoffs for a bear spread and to understand the relationship between a put option and a bear spread.